we're at an orange field or picking center. It's called Gamtanam. Oh, Daddy's coming out with the drinks. Ooh. Wow. We got freshly squeezed orange juice. Jeju orange. Tangerine, to be exact. And then what's the other one, babe?
Tangerine lemonade. Limeade. Something like that.
They got exactly the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Do you want to do a little taste test, babe?
Sure. Let's do it. We gotta do the classic orange, right?
Yeah. Does it just taste like orange juice? Regular orange juice? Not like
a little tartness to it.
guys. Our favorite so far. Our favorite orange juice is Vietnamese orange juice.
Vietnamese.
Is it still better?
Vietnamese is still better.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I can do it. I can do it. Okay.
It's not regular orange juice. Yeah, Vasquez.
It's still different. Like it's different than like.
It's more similar to Vietnamese orange juice than it is to.
Yeah, but it has more tartness than Vietnamese.
But it does kind of taste a little bit similar to Vietnamese. Do you see that? Did you taste it? But it is. It's in the middle of regular orange juice and like Vietnamese orange juice.
Vietnamese orange juice is I do remember that. Well, your orange juice, isn't it green?
Try.
Yeah, it's our oranges.
Try
are
the
green.
lemonade.
Ooh, something went in my ear.
You guys can try it. Did you guys try it?
Yeah,
I'll
take a
try
sip.
it after.
Yeah, take a sip.
Whoa. Interesting.
Interesting. Oh god,
Thank you,
that's he's like, no more things. Kami got
No,
through
no.
one for yourself.
Really? Okay.
Great, he says.
It tastes like it has like alcohol inside.
Has what?
It has like alcohol inside. It tastes like an alcoholic drink.
It does taste like an alcoholic
Yeah,
drink.
right?
That's
Oh,
interesting.
sunset soda. That's what it
I wonder.
It's salted.
Yeah.
I think it's salted.
Interesting.
Gotta smell a whiff of it.
Thanks, baby.
Interesting. It does taste like alcohol, but I don't
Yeah.
think it's alcohol.
No, it's definitely not. It just has like a similar taste to it.
Yeah.
I think it's like sunset
This one
soda.
is the
like
middle
it's like
of
the
Vietnamese
salted.
and then regular, I feel like.
It's got salted tangerine.
Try it?
I tried just this one.
Okay, you guys
Thank
try.
you.
See what regular
You can
one.
try it first.
Vietnamese is better though, right?
Yeah.
There's a tartness like
Yeah.
that. It's kind of like regular.
Yeah.
Tail.
I think consensus Vietnamese orange
Yeah.
juice is still better.
If you haven't tried Vietnamese orange juice, you can only really get it in Big now.
Yep. Right?
Hello, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Check this beautiful scenery. Look at this Jeju jet people over here just having an amazing time. Just the ocean, so.
So right now we are going to a waterfall. What's it called? Jokjong Fall, something like that.
Something, but
In-
it's cold out here,
Yeah.
guys.
It's chilly. Wearing my Arc'teryx. Gaffney's wearing.
A little cardigan with a skirt.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I'm wearing shorts. Everyone else is wearing jeans and long pants.
This is
But
crazy, bro.
we're Canadian, so what can we say?
But it is chilly out here. I don't know why.
Here's the view of our walk right now.
So pretty. So pretty.
Yeah.
We're gonna go see a waterfall. We wanted to see a different one, but that one closes at 5.
Yeah. So we'll go on a different day.
Yes.
But yeah, we'll show you the waterfall once we're there.
Yeah.
First wrap in Korea, or what it's called. Some garlic.
This is black pork, guys.
Jeju black pork. On kimchi, stew and onion. And then one of these. Let's try it.
Yeah, a little bit.
Cheers.
You can be, but you can cook it a little bit more if you're uncomfortable.